Today we're going to make some gluten-free chicken fingers or chicken tenders. And to make the coating, the first thing we're going to mix together, we're going to put in a cup of almond flour. And then we're going to add a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, and a tablespoon of garlic pepper. And to this, because my family likes it two different ways, I'm going to fix the first few with just this, and then I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese to it as well. So after I put it inside the bag, if you have a Ziploc gallon bag, you could use this. I have a lighter weight one, but it's about a gallon bag. Then I'm just going to mix everything together so that the spices are mixed in with the almond flour. And then I'm going to use the bag to dip the chicken strips into. I pulled out the chicken, so that's ready to go. We have our coating, and I want to get the pan ready so that as I dip it in, I can put it right onto the pan. And so I'm just going to use an olive oil spray and just do a light spray on a foil covered pan. So the chicken tenders are pretty easy to find. It's an inexpensive cut, so it's a good way to feed more people for less. And if you want to coat it in butter or oil, you can, but I find that I really don't need to. The coating will stick to it. And I'll usually put in maybe 3 tenders into the bag, hold it closed, and then just kind of toss them around lightly. And you're just getting a light coating onto it to give a little bit of flavor on the outside. So after you shake the coating on it, you just want to lay them onto your pan. Don't have them touch each other, have a little bit of space in between, and then you'll continue doing this until you have all the tenders coated and on the pan. So let me finish that and then I'll come back. The temperature needs to be set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook these between 20 and 30 minutes. So I'm going to put them in, set the timer for 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and check it, and they may need another 10. We'll have to monitor it at that point. So we will check it in a few minutes. I checked on the chicken at 20 minutes and it wasn't quite ready yet, so I've had it in here another 6 minutes. I'll let you see how they're looking now. They're golden brown on top, which is how I wanted it. The dark that you're seeing underneath it is just the juices from the chicken that dripped a little bit on the pan. That was just browning. But on the left here are the ones that did not have the Parmesan cheese, and the ones on the right do have the Parmesan cheese, and then this pan had the Parmesan cheese as well. And I'm serving this tonight with peas and some cauliflower rice, and then we'll also offer some dipping with ranch dressing, or those who want ketchup or something else can have that as well. And I'll show you a clip at the end here of the plate served up. But these are good. They may not look that pretty on the pan, but they're very good when we eat them. So I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if you try it out.